Have two files open, and in your toolbar, select Combine Files. Here you can open new files from the computer, or you can select files that are already open. And here you can rearrange the order if you want to by clicking and dragging them. Once they're in the order that you want, click the Combine button, and this will create a new file called Binder. Now we have a 2-page document. Select Print and select Multiple, and then your number of columns and number of rows. You may need to switch from portrait to landscape or vice versa, but once it looks correct in your print preview window, then go ahead and click the print button, and you'll have the print that you want with 2 files on 1 page. Thanks for watching.